Hello, my name is Siri, and this is my final project from Time Series Analysis course. In this presentation, I will walk you through my analysis and forecasting of the Producer Price Index for input materials for manufacturing in the United Kingdom. This index is critical for understanding inflation trends in the manufacturing sector, which impacts production cost and policy decisions. Research question. My research question is: what is the most accurate model for forecasting the UK Producer Price Index for manufacturing inputs over the next 10 months? To answer this, I used monthly PPI data from January 2008 to 2024 March, sourced from the UK Office for National Statistics. The dataset includes 195 monthly observations and reflects real-world inflation trends, making it suitable for ARIMA modeling. I begin with exploratory analysis. The time series plot showed a general upward trend with clear structural changes, especially a sharp increase during 2022, possibly linked to global inflation. The seasonally plot and ACF analysis indicated no strong seasonality. The augmented decay Fuller test showed that the data was not stationary with a p-value greater than 0.05. Therefore, I applied the first-order differencing to stabilize the mean and make the series stationary. After differencing, I examined ACF and PACF plots. These plots helped identify potential AR and MA orders. I tested multiple models including ARIMA 111, ARIMA 011, and ARIMA 110. Model diagnostics such as AIC and BIC and residual checks we were used to determine the best fit. The goal was to find a model that captures the structure of the data while producing the nice residuals. Among the tested models, ARIMA 111 was selected as best model. It had the lowest AIC and BIC, and the residuals passed the Leging-Beck's test, indicating no autocorrelation. The Shapiro-Wilk test showed residuals were normally distributed with a p-value above 0.05. This confirmed that the model fits the data well and is suitable for forecasting. Here you can also see the residual plot and histogram of residuals confirming randomness and normality. Forecasting the next 10 months. Using the ARIMA 111 model, I forecasted PPI values from April 2024 to January 2025. The forecast plot shows a slight upward trend in the PPI with 95% confidence intervals widening over time, which is expected in forecasting. These forecasts can help business and policymakers anticipate input cost pressures. Overall, the model performs well and produces reliable short-term predictions. Conclusion. To conclude, the ARIMA model provided accurate forecast for the UK PPI over the next 10 months. All model assumptions were met and residuals behaved as expected. This analysis not only answers the research question but also demonstrates how time series methods can be useful for meaningful economic forecast. The answer for our research question is the ARIMA 111 model was found to be the best, most accurate for forecasting the PPI over the next 10 months. It showed the best fit based on AIC, BIC, passed all the residual checks, and proved a reliable forecast showing a gradual upward trend in PPI. Thank you for watching the presentation.